Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your oxygen level with an oximeter. First, make sure your device is ready. Check that it is clean and has working batteries. It's important to rest for at least 5 minutes before you begin. Also, remove any nail polish or artificial nails from the finger you plan to use. If your hands are cold, warm them up to ensure good blood flow for an accurate reading. Now let's take a reading. Gently place the oximeter on your index or middle finger. Make sure your finger is fully inserted into the device for the best contact. Keep your hand very still and relaxed, perhaps resting it on a table. Do not move your finger or hand while the device is working. Wait patiently for about 10 to 20 seconds until the numbers on the screen stop changing and become stable. Once the numbers stabilize, you'll see two main readings. The SpO2, or oxygen saturation, should ideally be 95% or higher for most healthy individuals. You'll also see your pulse rate, which is usually between 60 and 100 beats per minute. If your oxygen level consistently drops below 95%, or if you experience symptoms like shortness of breath, it's important to speak with a healthcare professional promptly. To ensure the most accurate readings, remember a few key tips. Try not to take a reading right after strenuous exercise or a hot shower, as this can affect results. Avoid using the oximeter on a finger that feels cold or has poor circulation. Regularly clean your device with an alcohol wipe to maintain hygiene. Finally, for tracking purposes, try to take your readings at consistent times each day, such as in the morning and evening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.